This car does not care about my safety at all, and it's amazing. Oh my gosh, that exhaust noise. Oh my gosh. Yo. Ooh, my back. Should we do it? Yeah, we're doing it. Sir, it would be quite preferable if you got out my way. Tunnel run incoming. Wait a second. Look at this guy, bro. Look at this guy, bro. The fun just begun. Bro, look at these freaking curves, bro. And this freaking, what is this? Land Rover Discovery, bro? Only thing this man's about to discover is this left hand, bro. This left hook. And everybody's going this way. Bro, I'm triggered, bro. I'm not gonna lie. There's no way. This is going the same way as me again. Shut up, radar. Piss me off, bro. Piss me off. Yo, that never gets old. This thing is rowdy. Yo. Yo. I love this car.